Welcome to Shekhar Maths. Today we are going to learn 7th class Mathematics Semester 1, 4th chapter Lines and Angles. Linear pair of angles. Exercise 4.2. Before going to do the exercise, let us learn the concept. Now let us learn adjacent angles. What is the meaning of adjacent? It means beside or neighboring. ఆసన్న కోణాలు పక్కపక్కన ఉన్న కోణాలు adjacent angles. Let us see the actual definition. Two angles that have a common arm or side and a common vertex corner point are called adjacent angles. Let us take example. Let us take a bullock cart wheel. Let us draw a ray through one of its spokes and put a common point, that is common vertex, and this ray is the common side. Now the angles on either side of this arrow are the adjacent angles. Now let us take a wall clock, and in it there are hours hand, minutes hand and seconds hand. Draw a ray through an hour hand and put a point, that is common point or vertex. Now the angles on either side of the hour hand are the examples for a adjacent angles. Now let us see the figure. Here PM is the common ray for the two rays PK and PN, and P is the common vertex or corner point. So the angles on either side of the PM, that is shown in red and black colors, are the examples for the adjacent angles. Now let us learn what is the meaning of linear pair of angles. What is the meaning of pair? Pair means two, angles means angles itself, and linear means it is a term related to of line. So line of two angles. Two angles which lie on the same line are called a linear pair of angles. We know that angle on a line is 180 degrees. So if two angles lie on the same line, then the sum of the angles is equal to 180 degrees. Now let us observe the actual definition. A pair of adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degrees are called a linear pair of angles. Let us take example. For example, adjacent angles, and then take their sum and decide whether they are a linear pair of angles or not. For example, let us take 60 degrees, 120 degrees. The word sum indicates plus operation. So by adding 60 and 120, we get 180 degrees, which is same as in the definition. So yes, the adjacent angles 60 degrees and 120 degrees form a linear pair of angles. Now let us take the real life situations. Observe that in all the figures, the base is a straight line. So it makes an angle of 180 degrees, and the adjacent angles on either side of the pen stand, the adjacent angles on either side of a electric pole, the adjacent angles on either side of a coconut tree are example of linear pair of angles because their sum is equal to 180 degrees because they lie on the same line. Now let us do exercise 4.2. First problem. Observe the given figure and write any two linear pairs of angles. Solution. On the line KP, we observe two adjacent angles. One is angle KOQ, another is angle QOP. Both lie on the same line, so they form a linear pair of angles. Now on the line LQ, angle KOL and angle KOQ both form adjacent angles, also lie on the same line LQ. So they also form a linear pair of angles. On the line LQ, angle LOM, angle MOQ both are adjacent angles and lie on the same line LQ, so they also form a linear pair of angles. Now on the line KP, the angles angle KOL and angle LOP both are adjacent angles and lie on the same line KP, so they also form a linear pair of angles. Now on the line KP, angle KOM and angle MOP both are adjacent angles and lie on the same line KP, so they also form a linear pair of angles. Now second problem. Draw a pair of adjacent angles which are complementary to each other. Solution. Here observe the word complementary. It means sum of angles is equal to 90 degrees. So draw two rays in L shape and see the angle on the protractor. It shows 90 degrees. So L shape figure shows 90 degrees. Now put a point at 30 degrees and draw a ray through it. Now the angle between the two rays is 30 degrees and the angle above the two rays shows 60 degrees. Both are adjacent angles. Now observe that 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So 30 degrees and 60 degrees form a pair of complementary angles. Now third problem. Draw a pair of adjacent angles which are supplementary to each other. Solution. Observe the word supplementary. It means sum of the angles is equal to 180 degrees. So draw two rays opposite to each other and observe the angle on the protractor. On the left hand side it shows 0 degrees starting and on the right hand side it shows 180 degrees. So angle on the line is 180 degrees. Now put a dot at 60 degrees and draw a ray through it. So angle between the two rays is equal to 60 degrees and angle on the left hand side shows 120 degrees. And also observe that these are the adjacent angles and 120 plus 60 gives 180 degrees. So 120 degrees and 60 degrees form a pair of supplementary angles. Now fourth problem. Give any two examples of adjacent angles in your surroundings. Solution. Take a bullock cart wheel. Adjacent angles made between any three consecutive spokes of a bullock cart wheel. ఒక బండి చక్రంలో మధ్యలో ఉన్న వరుసగా ఉన్న మూడు చెక్కల మధ్య గల కోణాలు ఆసన్న కోణాలు అడ్జసెంట్ యాంగిల్స్. ఒక ఫ్యాన్ తీసుకుంటే ఆ ఫ్యాన్కు మూడు రెక్కల మధ్య వరుసగా ఉన్నటువంటి కోణాలు అడ్జసెంట్ యాంగిల్స్. అడ్జసెంట్ యాంగిల్స్ మేడ్ బిట్వీన్ ఎనీ త్రీ బ్లేడ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ సీలింగ్ ఫ్యాన్. ఒక బుక్ ఓపెన్ చేసి ఒక పేజ్ ఓపెన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆ పేజ్కి ఇరువైపులా ఉన్నవి కూడా అడ్జసెంట్ యాంగిల్స్. అడ్జసెంట్ యాంగిల్స్ మేడ్ ఇన్ ఏ ఓపెన్ బుక్ విత్ వన్ పేజ్ ఓపెన్. నౌ నంబర్ 4. ఒక గోడకు ఒక నిచ్చెన వేస్తే నిచ్చెన అడుగు భాగమునకు ఇరువైపులా ఉన్న కోణాలు అడ్జసెంట్ యాంగిల్స్. Adjacent angles made when a ladder is leaning against a wall. Now fifth problem. Observe the figure and write the adjacent angles. Solution. Adjacent angles and common side. With common side OC, angle AOC and angle COD are the adjacent angles. With common side OC, angle AOC and angle COB are the adjacent angles. With the common side OD, angle AOD and angle DOB are the adjacent angles. With the common side OD, angle COD and angle DOB are the adjacent angles. Sixth problem. Is it possible for the following pair of angles to form a linear pair? If yes, draw them. If not, give reason. 1, 2. Number 1. 120 degrees, 60 degrees. Solution 1. 120 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. This angle shows angle on a line. So these angles form a linear pair. So let us draw them. Draw two rays opposite to each other and place a protractor. Take a point at 60 degrees. Draw another arrow. Now on the right hand side angle is 60 degrees. On the left hand side angle is 120 degrees. So 120 plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, which are the adjacent angles and they lie on the same line, so they form a linear pair. To 98 degrees, 102 degrees. Solution to 98 degrees plus 102 degrees gives 200 degrees, which is not equal to 180 degrees. To lie on the same line, angle must be equal to 180 degrees. Here both the angles do not lie on the same line, so they do not form a linear pair. Seventh problem. Draw the following angles as linear pair. Write the straight line and common arm. Solution. Observe the word linear pair. It means we have to draw two angles on the same line. Take a point O, another point B, draw a ray through OB. Take another point C, draw a ray through OC. Now place the protractor on the line BC. On the upper scale, put a point A at 100 degrees and draw a ray through it. Now angle AOB is 100 degrees and angle AOC is 80 degrees. So both are the adjacent angles, lie on the same line, so form a linear pair. So they lie on the straight line BC and their common arm is OA. Eighth problem. In the given figure, AB bar is a straight line, vegetable cutter. O is a point on AB bar. Find the value of x. Solution. Observe the sentence. AB bar is a straight line. That means angle on the line AB is equal to 180 degrees. And also observe that the given angles on either side of the vegetable cutter are the adjacent angles and also they form a linear pair. So sum of the angles 2x plus 30 degrees plus x is equal to 180 degrees. So 3x plus 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees because 2x plus x gives 3x. Now 3x is equal to 180 degrees minus 30 degrees because plus 30 degrees when transposed to the right hand side it becomes minus 30 degrees. 3x is equal to 150 degrees because 180 degrees minus 30 degrees gives 150 degrees. Now x is equal to 150 degrees by 3 because multiplying 3 when transposed to the right hand side it becomes divided by 3. Now on simplification by 3 50 times. So the value of x is equal to 50 degrees is the answer. Ninth problem. Teacher asked students to check whether 40 degrees and 140 degrees form a linear pair or not by drawing angles. The students have drawn as follows. Who will get correct answer? Solution. Observe the word linear pair. That means sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. Angles 40 degrees and 140 degrees must be drawn on a same line. Now let us observe the figure drawn by student Rahim. The angles 40 degrees and 140 degrees drawn by Rahim are not adjacent angles because the angle BOC and angle AOD share a common vertex O but do not share a common side. So they are not adjacent angles and also they do not lie on the same line. So they do not form a linear pair. So the answer is incorrect. Now let us observe the figure drawn by second student Mary. The angles 40 degrees, 140 degrees drawn by Mary are not adjacent angles, because angle BOC is equal to 40 degrees is entirely in another angle. Angle BOD is equal to 140 degrees. They share a common vertex O but do not share a common side. So they are not adjacent angles and also does not lie on the same line. So they do not form a linear pair. Let us observe the figure drawn by the third student. The angles of 40 degrees, 140 degrees drawn by Roshita are adjacent angles, because angle XYZ is equal to 140 degrees and angle YYZ is equal to 40 degrees share a common vertex O and share common side OZ. Both angles lie on the same line XY. So they are the adjacent angles, also lie on the same line. So the given angles of 40 degrees and 140 degrees form a linear pair. So the answer given by Roshita is correct.
Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe. Sekhar Maths.